Hello, how are you doing? It's Rue here today. Very easy, elegant hairstyle tutorial. So this would be perfect for if you're going to be a bride, basically. And I actually saw this tutorial on Pinterest and it really intrigued me because the way they did it is just super simple and I thought I'd kind of recreate it. And I'm sure you've probably seen it on Pinterest, but let me show you how I do it. So let's get started. I'm sectioning off my whole head into 5 sections going vertically. So I'm gonna have one section up here and then another section right below it and then so on and so forth until I reach the nape of my neck. So I'm starting with this top section here, and because I have extensions in, I'm gonna be careful to not be so rough when I'm doing this. I'm taking my clear elastic band, I'm gonna tie that down. So these are my ponytails. Alright, for each ponytail I'm going to just do like a rope braid. So I'm taking 2 sections of each ponytail and twisting them. And once I've got one of these pulled apart, they're ready to go. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna turn around and show you exactly how to pin them in place on the back of your head with bobby pins, of course. I'm going to turn around and show you what the back looks like. Okay guys, the sun is setting and I gotta go, but thank you so much for joining. Thumbs up if you like this video and please subscribe for new videos. Bye!